What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Qasim and welcome to Tip Tuesday, where I give you guys quick little tips in short little videos about the tech devices in your life. Today we are going to be talking about the iPhone keyboard. So for those of you that don't know, the iPhone keyboard allows you to create shortcuts for larger sentences or phrases. So first of all, what we need to do is go into our iPhone, open it up, and jump into the Settings app. Then go ahead and click General, then go to Keyboard, then go into Text Replacement, and in the top right hand corner you will see a plus sign. Go ahead and hit that. Once you hit the plus sign, you will be presented with the next screen, which will have two text fields, one for phrase and one for the shortcut. So in the phrase, we are going to actually put in whatever sentence we want minimized into a shortcut. So for example, in this video, we will be doing how are you? So go ahead and type how are you or whatever phrase you would like to shorten. Now jump into the shortcut text field, and in that text field we are going to type HRU, and you can type whatever shortcut you want for your phrase. In the top right hand corner you are going to see a save option. Go ahead and save that. Now guys, whenever you open up your iPhone keyboard, whether you're in Safari, the notes, texting somebody, or whatever you're doing, you will have an option to write this little shortcut, type HRU, and that will trigger the iPhone to replace it with your phrase, how are you? You can do this for any phrase. I use it all the time to help make my life easier when it comes to typing, more efficient on the iPhone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this tip useful, please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. That's all, guys. I will see you next week, same place, same time, with another tip.